In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Calendar, Google Keep, and Gmail to enhance your productivity and keep your life organized. We'll walk through these steps together, ensuring that you can make the most of these powerful Google tools. First things first, let's open up Google Calendar. Make sure you are signed in with the correct email account. This is crucial because the organization and accessibility of your calendar events depend on it being linked to the right account. Taking a moment to verify your login now will save you from potential confusion or misplaced events later on. Next, let's shift our focus to Google Keep. Open Google Keep, and let's start by creating a new note. Your notes can serve many purposes. Whether capturing a fleeting thought or logging detailed information, they're a fantastic tool for organizing your ideas. Go ahead and type in your title, something that encapsulates the essence of the note or task you're planning to remember. Once you've typed out your title, click close to save it. It's as simple as that, and it ensures your notes are immediately stored and ready for use. Now, let's personalize your note a little. Click on the background options in Google Keep, where you'll find a variety of colors and graphics to choose from. Selecting a color or graphic not only adds a visual appeal, but can also serve as a subtle cue for categorizing or prioritizing your notes. You can tailor these to fit your personal style or to align them with specific projects or themes. With your notes prepared and organized, let's now open Gmail. In the upper right corner, you'll notice 3 dots. This is your gateway to additional options. Click on these dots and you'll find the Create Event option. This is where your organized notes and scheduled tasks start coming together. Type your title in the event field. It's much like titling your note. It should be clear and descriptive to keep you informed at a glance. On the right corner, there's a Keep Notes icon. Click on it and voila! You can easily copy details from your notes directly into your event. This functionality turns your notes into actionable tasks or meetings with just a few clicks. And if you find there's more to add to your event, feel free to add additional notes. This flexibility allows you to flesh out your events with pertinent details or reminders. Once everything looks good to you, click Save to finalize your event. This step ensures everything is logged, stored, and ready to go. With these synchronized efforts, you're now utilizing Google Calendar, Keep, and Gmail together in a harmonious workflow that maximizes your productivity. Happy organizing, and I hope this method brings more ease and efficiency to your daily routines.